This video demonstrates how to create a LED blinking program by using the AD converter in Smart Configurator. This demonstration uses the RL78 G23 64P fast prototyping board. Connect the board to computer via COM port. In this example, LED 1 will be configured to blink according to AD conversion result. The component ports and AD converter will be configured as shown to blink LED 1. The eSquare Studio IDE is used for this demonstration. You can refer to this video for installation steps. This video has 3 parts. Part 1, Create Project. In eSquare Studio, click File, New, Renaissance C Project, Renaissance RL78. Renaissance CCRL, C executable project. Enter the project name. Select the latest CCRL version. Select target board RL78 G23 64P fast prototyping board. Use the COM port for debugging. Click Finish. Project is created successfully. Part 2, Configure the components. In Smart Configurator, select the Components tab. Click the Add Component button. Select the AD converter and ports in the component list. Click Finish. Select RBSP and enable the RBSP Software Delay API. In the configuration panel of Config ADC, set resolution setting as 10 bits. Select ANI2 for AD channel selection. Enable interrupt to trigger the event when the conversion is completed. Select Config port, then select Port 5. Click Port 5 tab. Change port 53 to Out, and check Output 1 to set LED 1 to off status initially. Click the Generate Code button. Code generation is successful will be shown at the console window. Part 3, Add user code and run the project. Open config adc user.c, include rsmc entry.h. Define a global variable to store the conversion result. Toggle the LED and add a delay time with the conversion result. Open the file containing main function. Start the ADC and add a while loop. Build the project. Project will be built successfully. Open Debug Configurations dialog. Select RL78PRJ Hardware Debug. Under Debugger, Connection Settings, select the COM port detected by your computer. Click Debug to start the debug session. Click Resume button to continue the program. The AD converter has been successfully configured to make the LED blink. The blinking rate can be adjusted by turning the potentiometer.